Okay, this video is to introduce you to one way that you might have your students use the resources that are online. Notice that I've set up side-by-side windows here, each at the Stanford Intro to Logic splash page. I'm going to take the left side here, click on Learners. Notice it defaults to the lessons. In Chapter 1, you have each of the lessons, and then the exercises that follow the lessons. I'm going to click on exercise 6, and it takes us to this. Consider the sentences below. Here's 4 sentences constraining the world, and then they want you to answer the question, which of these sentences are entailed by those 4 sentences? Okay. On the right hand here, I'll click on Learners as well, but this time I'll go to Tools, and I will choose the Logic Grid. And in the Logic Grid, I will enter Abby, Bess, Cody, and Dana. And once I've done that, it will create a grid for me. So the first constraining sentence says, everybody likes somebody. Not sure I can put any entries into the grid. The second one is, Bess likes everyone Abby likes. So far I don't know who Abby likes. Bess does not like Dana. That's easy. So I'm going to put Bess does not like Dana. Okay, you can click on the box. The first thing is check, which that would mean Bess likes Dana, or X, which means Bess does not like Dana, or blank means ambiguous, like a question mark. So I'm going to choose X here because this means Bess does not like Dana. So Bess does not like Dana. Got it. Nobody likes herself. So each of these then will be X's, because nobody will like herself. Let me go back now. Bess likes everyone that Abby likes. So we already know Bess doesn't like Bess. So that means Abby can't like Bess, because if she did, then Bess would like herself. And we already know that Bess doesn't like Dana, so that means Abby can't like Dana. So, okay. Let's see. But everybody likes somebody. So that means Abby has to like Cody. Oh, and Bess likes everybody that Abby likes. So she has to like Cody as well. Okay, so I think I've written down, or I've included everything that's entailed by those sentences. You should check me here. But not every, so this world is not completely constrained. So Abby likes Cody. Is that constrained? Let's see. Yeah, that's constrained. So yes, I'm going to say yes, that's entailed. Whoops. That is entailed. Yay. By the way, there's a little check mark there saying I got it right. Yay. Bess likes Abby. So Bess likes Abby. Well, we're not sure if Bess likes Abby. I think that's not entailed. Bess does not like Abby. Again, we're just not sure. It's ambiguous, so I'm going to say not entailed. Nobody likes everybody. Well, we already know from one of our constraints that everybody doesn't like themselves, so they can't like everybody because that would include themselves. So I would say that is entailed. I got them right. By the way, if I had put a wrong answer here, I'd say not entailed. That would tell me X. Okay, so I hope this helps you to see like how you might train your students to use the online resources. There's a little bit of danger here. What I mean by danger is if students are only focused on quote-unquote trying to get the right answer, then many of these are just, 2 option answers, and if they don't get it right the first time, they'll just guess the second time. So it's up to you as a teacher to sort of create the environment in your classroom that you want, and to use these effectively, it would be like trying to search for understanding how to answer the questions, not just getting the right answer. Okay, so that's it. I hope this helps. Thank you.